Prophecy concerning the nation of Zimbabwe. The nation of Zimbabwe should be ready for a female president.
Cameroonian prophet Perez Ndiye has come out with another prophecy about Zimbabwe. This is now the third time he has declared this prophecy concerning the nation. kusangana kwati kuita zvakare pachannel ino, channel yeZimbabwe TV, pandinodzoka nema-updates akasiyana-siyana, uye ndinoti kana kari kutanga kusvika pano ndinokumbira kuti ungobaya button rekusubscribe, then turn on the notification bell kuitira kuti usarasikirwe ne-every update yandinodzoka nayo pano nguva nenguva. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back again with another prophecy concerning to Zimbabwe yapiwa iyo na prophet Perez Ndiye kuCameroon. Tichitarisa kumashure uko, this prophet vakamboita mamwe maprophecies about Zimbabwe vachiti kuchazova ne female leader achatungamirira Zimbabwe, but achazobviswa nekuda kweutongi hwake hwaanenge ava kuita hweudzvanyiriri uye achazofa zvinorwadza. This prophet vati maZimbabweans akutora this prophecy as a joke, but zvichaitika chete. Ladies and gentlemen, without wasting much of your time, I want you to watch this video muzvinzwire mega. Asi kana mapedza kuteerera prophecy iyi, let's meet in the comment section muchitiudzawo zvamunofunga pamusoro payo.
Prophecy concerning the nation of Zimbabwe. The nation of Zimbabwe should be ready for a female president. And I have spoken about this many times now, and many Zimbabweans think it's a joke. It will come to pass. A young woman, a woman in Zimbabwe will become the president. And God will allow it to happen because God will use her to change the political system of Zimbabwe, to change the politics of Zimbabwe. Everything in Zimbabwe will change politically. She will remove a lot of people from power, and she will put different people in power. She will change a lot of things. Yeah, she will not be intimidated. This woman is coming. She's gonna rule for 5.5 years. Zimbabwe, get ready to welcome your new president. I saw a woman becoming president in Zimbabwe. I don't know whether is this next term that she's gonna take it. I don't know. But I saw a woman becoming president in Zimbabwe. Just get ready anytime for a woman who is gonna be your president. Congratulations, Zimbabwe. Because God will still use her. God will allow it to happen because he's judging the politics of Zimbabwe. He's changing the politics of Zimbabwe. And he's changing some things in that line.